You wanted to know if you need to use a special laundry detergent for your baby's clothing. And actually, it is a good idea to wash your baby's clothes separately and to use a baby-friendly hypoallergenic laundry detergent before they're born and at least through the newborn stage. Baby-friendly laundry soap leaves less residue on the clothing, and this is important for a young baby's sensitive skin. After a few months, most families start washing the baby's clothes together with theirs, and they start using regular laundry soap, and most babies do just fine. But if yours has any skin conditions like eczema, or if you notice that their skin is irritated after using regular laundry soap, then go back to the special laundry detergent for a little bit longer and talk with your pediatrician to see if they have any other recommendations for you. If you have more questions in the future for me, feel free to ask them on our Intermountain Moms Facebook and Instagram pages, and recommend us to your friends and family too.